Only 10 units will be produced in 2025, with total production limited to 100. This rarity makes it not only a collector's item but also targets consumers seeking superior performance and unique individuality. In terms of appearance, it adds a track-focused aerodynamic kit to the standard SU7 Ultra. The front is equipped with a carbon fiber dual-channel bonnet to increase cooling efficiency. The carbon fiber skid plate on the lower body optimizes airflow. Carbon fiber rear wheel arches enhance stability, and the large carbon fiber spoiler at the rear provides strong downforce at high speeds, improving cornering performance. The carbon fiber kit not only reduces weight but also meets the demanding aerodynamic and thermal management requirements of track driving. Body dimensions have been maintained to match the mid to large sedan positioning. A long, aerodynamic design, large wheels, and a low aerodynamic structure balance low wind resistance for both track and road use. Compared to the standard version, the carbon fiber kit and rear structure are significantly different, emphasizing track driving characteristics. While the full interior has not yet been revealed, the SU7 Ultra is expected to follow the layout of the flagship model. A large central touchscreen, a fully digital instrument panel, and a high-performance sound system are expected. Carbon fiber trim will be the finishing touch. The seats are expected to retain their sporty design, offer excellent lateral support, and also feature comfort features such as heating, ventilation, and massage. The powertrain is arguably its most important competitive advantage. It boasts a 3-engine system consisting of 2 self-developed V8 engines and 1 V6 engine. The V8 engines reach a top speed of 27,200 revolutions per minute, producing a total maximum power of 1,548 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 1.98 seconds, excluding initial reaction time, and from 0 to 200 km per hour in 5.86 seconds, delivering exceptional performance with a designed top speed of 350 km per hour. The vehicle is equipped with a CATL Kirin 2 battery pack with a maximum discharge rate of 16C and a maximum discharge power of 1,330 kilowatts. It can deliver 800 kilowatts of output power even at 20% charge. Supporting 5.2C high-speed charging, it charges from 10% to 80% in just 11 minutes, providing a range of 630 kilometers. The thermal management system utilizes a liquid cooling solution combined with carbon fiber components for airflow direction, ensuring stable output on the track. In the realm of high-performance all-electric vehicles, it has unique strengths compared to competitors such as the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT, Tesla Model S Plaid, and Neo ET9 Performance Edition. For those seeking extreme acceleration and track performance, the SU7 Ultra Nürburgring Limited Edition is undoubtedly an ideal choice.